Hello, welcome to the Relon Auto Parts Plus. Here I have a 2008 VE Commodore SV6 sedan. It's taken a bit of a scrape down the side, and while it's been sitting in the yard, the guys have sold the door and the boot lid off it. It is a 3.6 V6 LY7 engine with the M82 5-speed gearbox. It's 149,506 kilometres. Walk around here. Compliance plate in here for you. Crunchy. Yeah, you can read that. 21st of the 10th 08. Standard grey cloth trim. Airbags haven't gone off. We'll pop the bonnet. It's a good bonnet. LY7 M82. And we'll start it up. I'll get the speedo reading up, but anyway, it's in there somewhere. Here the engine running. So there it is. VE Commodore SV6 for dismantling it in the Relon Auto Parts Plus. If I knew how to get that speedo reading up there, I would have had it before, but I can't find it. I don't know which button to press, but anyway, if you need some VE Commodore parts, or any other car parts for that matter, give us a call on the number on the wall, which is up there somewhere. I know it off the top of my head. It's 02 46461 733. And that's your commercial 4-wheel drive, nothing too big, nothing too small, parts plus we do it all. I wish I knew how to get that speedo reading up. Anyway, thanks for watching and bye for now. It'll probably come up now.